It is Make Ahead Monday, and we're grilling up a summer staple, yum, steak with a side of corn on the cob. And here to help us is Ansimo DeMeo and Scott Stein, co-owners of James Beard-nominated Bardea Food and Drink in Wilmington, Delaware. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We wish you were here with us because it's like we could taste the steak and smell the corn through the screen. But grilling the perfect steak can always be a challenge. But you say that this is really simple. You have to start before you even put it on the grill, right?
Correct. Yes, it's definitely easy to make at-home dish. We kind of simplified it, but it's something that's very approachable. And we're super excited to show you what we got cooking here.
All right. So what do you start with? Does it need much seasoning?
Yeah, so actually what we like to do with our steaks, obviously product is everything, so we like to use prime grass-fed beef, okay, with great intramuscular fat, okay? So what we're going to start doing here is we're going to get this strip steak, okay, and we're going to use the fat cap, and we're going to put it right in the cast iron. We've had that preheating a little bit. We're going to get that sizzling a little bit, and we're going to get some of that fat rendering out. We're going to add a little bit of oil to the pan. So a big step that we like to do at the restaurant is we really believe in brining our meats. So what that does, it might sound all fancy, but it's simply adding it into a liquid with some salt and maybe sugar. And depending on how much time, you can let the meat sit in that overnight. Or we like to do a minimum of 3 hours. And what that does is it gives you a perfectly seasoned meat. And essentially the meat is more moist, more tender, and more flavor. So you can add herbs, aromatics, things like that. So it's something that we love to do at the restaurant. The reason that we love this recipe so much is, Scott and I are always working. We're always at the restaurant. So on Sunday, Monday, it's like family day. And this is a perfect thing to do on Sundays. Obviously, you can start it with the steak and the corn and eat that as your entree, and then we can repurpose it later in the week, like we're going to show you here for salad.
Yeah, we see that beautiful steak in front of Scott right there. And this can be kind of a controversial thing with steak lovers. What do you guys do afterwards when it's done?
Okay, so very, very big step is the resting period. Okay, so that's why we actually have this steak for you guys right here. So we're going to render and sear a steak here, but you want it to rest for a minimum of 5 to 10 minutes. It allows all the juices to kind of soak into the meat, all right? And it allows that flavor to really set, okay? So you really get that full, true meat experience. If you cut it too soon, you're going to lose a lot of that juice and a lot of that flavor.
I'm a huge corn lover. Let's move on to the corn. What is your secret sauce here?
So for the corn, we obviously have it out of the husk. We like to cook it in the husk. On the grill, so it kind of self-steams and makes it a little bit sweeter. But when it comes to corn, you just want really good quality corn, especially when it's in season. They're pretty delicious on their own. You don't really need to do too much to it. A classic seasoning that we like using is extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of chili, and lime. Very, very simple, straightforward. And it allows us to repurpose it in salads very well, simply because of the seasoning that we use.
Oh, a little chili. That must make it a little kick.
And you've got
a little bit of sweet, a little spice, a little bit of acid.
It's a good combination. So we've got the corn, we've got the steak. You're going to turn this into an amazing summer salad.
Correct.
All right. You're going to show them cut down this steak?
I'm going to take this out here. So I'm going to show you guys. So right now, the strip steak, right, we rendered out the fat. Okay, so now for what we like to use is a peppercorn blend. It's simple to find at the grocery store. So here we have a house blend. It's a little bit of telecherry, pink, white, and green peppercorns. Okay, so we're going to get it and put it right on that steak. Okay, and that's going to give you that flavor profile of the Aqua peppercorn blend.
The peppercorn makes a big difference.
Big difference. Without the peppercorn, you're just kind of eating beef, which is okay, but this kind of gives it that extra little kick.
All right, we're running out of time here, so how do you make a dressing for the salad, and how do you top it off?
Yes. Okay, so essentially, we have a classic lemon vinaigrette, okay, that we use. Scott's going to start seasoning that salad. I'm going to start cutting the steak.
That's going to be amazing. Then you cut up the corn, you put it in, and we'll put the full recipe on today.com, right? Look how great that looks.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
So simple. I love it.
Cut up the steak. Yeah. Perfectly medium rare. We're going to use a little bit of EVO to season this, a little bit of flaky salt, okay, touch of lemon juice.
Oh, that's perfect.
All right, and then right from there,
we wish we could dig in.
We put it right on the steak. Yep.
Well, that looks amazing. And next time, we hope you're in studio with us, and we will put the full recipe on today.com. Thanks so much, Ansimo and Scott, and for these recipes again, head to today.com/food.
I'd love to eat that right now.